Alright guys, today I'm revealing the crypto trading bot that from me has turned into a consistent passive income generator. Out of all the make money online methods that I've tried, running this AI agent has totally changed my approach to earning online. The coolest part though is that artificial intelligence coded the whole system, so even if the technical stuff feels intimidating, AI manages all the heavy lifting and automates the entire process for you. This AI trading bot hunts for specific inefficiencies on Ethereum, primarily through transaction fees on decentralized exchanges. In essence, the script executes a trade by scanning the pending transactions list. When it detects favorable trades, it bids a slightly higher gas fee, forcing our transaction to process right before theirs, immediately followed by a sell execution. This technique lets us secure profit from the exact price shifts caused by those pending orders. Arbitrage strategies like this have been around since decentralized finance first emerged, but have only become a realistic income opportunity thanks to how powerful artificial intelligence has become recently. You'll need a Web3 extension like this one if you haven't gotten one already, but most providers should work fine. Next, head over to this platform. This environment is built for launching smart contracts directly onto Ethereum. I've included all the necessary links for everything you need, by the way, down in the description. Go ahead, create a new file and name it something simple and one word. Here's the source code that we'll be using. Once again, this is available in the description below. You're welcome to audit the logic using any tool or service you prefer, as all of it is completely open source. Copy and paste it directly into your new file. The code has detailed comments behind all of the logic. Now, check out the side panel and go to this tab. These two versions should match. If they don't, change it to the same one shown at the top of the code. Next, I'll just click this button. Okay, perfect. Now we need to connect our Web3 extension. Move over to this tab, select this option from the list, and click connect when the pop-up appears. Alright, there we go. Your account information will show up on the platform. Click here and confirm it. This will cost no more than $1 and is a fee for deploying infrastructure to the network. There we go. Down here is my control panel for the AI agent. Only 3 functions, all very self-explanatory. Now, click this to verify everything was set up correctly. Ensure that the address shown here matches the one in your wallet. This proves that you have absolute control over the system. Next up is adding liquidity. 2 to 10 Ethereum is a sweet spot. You aren't capped on how much you can deposit. However, during my own trials, returns started to taper off around the 50 Ethereum mark. Larger amounts of liquidity allow the agent to handle higher volume trades, boosting potential profits. Click here to copy your agent's address. Paste your agent's address. Input your chosen amount. I'm going to use 2. And just submit it. Great, okay, the liquidity has cleared. Let's click this button to verify the system recognizes it. Everything looks good. Okay, it's time to fire up. Click the start button right here and confirm it. There we go. It's now running. I'm going to leave this trading in the background and report back a bit later. Alright, it's been a few hours of day trading. I'll go ahead and check it by just clicking here. Pretty decent so far, considering it reacts directly to real-time market volume. Performance will always fluctuate strictly based on network congestion and live volatility. To ensure this test is stable though, I'm going to let it do its thing for the rest of the day. Alright, it has now been 24 hours, an entire day. Let's check our progress. Truly incredible. Everything remains stable. Within the terminal, you can track every single routing action and trade the contract executed. I really like this because you can review everything the bot did rather than just showing a final result with, well, no way to see what actually happened during the live trading. When you're satisfied and ready to withdraw, just click here and confirm it. Take a look at that. Truly remarkable. Please keep in mind that this video is strictly for educational purposes, and I am by no means a professional. Nothing shown today should be taken as professional financial advice. I'm purely sharing my personal experience. I've dropped my contact in the description if you do have any questions. Be sure to drop a like on the video and hit that subscribe button. I'll be dropping more content like this very soon.